Josh, what is your last chance trade going into the bells?
So today, on a very special last chance trade, I'd like to talk about Macy's. This is the worst performing stock in the S&P 500 for 2019, assuming things stay around where they are. And I typically don't get involved with stocks on the 52-week low list, but I think there's a really unique and interesting setup here. This is a stock that essentially has been finding support at between 1440 and 1460 pretty much all year long. That's where it tends to bounce from. That is exactly where I would place my stop, or just below. And then as far as a long opportunity, you got a gap up there at 19. So I think you're risking 9% to make 21%. Now, if you think about Bed Bath & Beyond, here's a stock that in August was at $7.50 a share. They were saying all the same things about that stock that they now say about Macy's. No way to win, completely screwed company. That stock has doubled. And what has changed fundamentally for Bed Bath & Beyond? Very little, if anything at all. So sometimes when you have a stock as despised as Macy's is right now, you really don't need anything great to happen. You just need the bad news to stop. Now, one area of caution I'd give you really quickly here. There's a 9% yield. I do not think that yield survives. There is a camp that says, you know what, they can keep the dividend and just cut CapEx, meaning close underperforming stores or get rid of excess inventory. They have a lot. That's not smart. I actually think this company has no business paying a dividend, anything like that. It's not even close to being comparable with the group. They should reduce it, and what they should do instead is focus more on how they're going to modernize the app, the website, and do omni-channel the way Best Buy has done it, the way Target has done it. Look at the charts of some of the other retailing giants. Macy's has to figure out what they have figured out, and they can. So I think you take very little risk here. Use your stop loss. You could have a really nice risk reward, and I would put that trade on if I were inclined to look for a really hard hit name.